Hi and welcome back to my channel. I actually bought some new mattress today and let's go and ilagay na natin sa kama. Tara na! Nabili ko tong mattress na to for only 800 pesos and I think I need it. Binili ko na. Ganito siya kalaki. Parang single lang siya. Ganyan. Ganyan. Ganyan siya kalaki. Ganyan. So yun, lalagyan na natin siya dito sa kama. So yung double deck na to sa dating bahay, nilipat namin dito sa aming new house. How can I like this? Tada! So I installed my new mattress here. So syempre we're gonna test it if malambot po siya, diba? Goods. So this is the setup of my mattress. Ayan, dyan siya nakalagay. Tapos meron ako dito mini table na nakatouch siya dito sa dito sa double deck. Ayan, yung support niya. Tapos I have here my things. Ayusin natin yan. And I have this mini posters that papel lang yan. I just printed it out. Got here at na-install ko na rin naman yung bed ko. Magkakaroon na tayo ng Friday reset. So let's go. Ano namang masasamahan nyo kung maglinis, diba? But I know you're watching right now. Just cheer me up.
Si ate na kasi Ano na hindi malin?
Oh, Daf.
Mabas ka na dyan.
Tat.
Sayang. Dak.
So guys, I just want to share something with you. So one of the essential thing for men are of course shavers. And to everyone who actually had a hard time using razors like me, this shaver is good for you. So this is Anshan K8 Wet and Dry Use Electric Shaver. Mas madali siya gamitin at hindi siya nakakasugat. So this is rechargeable at hindi rin siya madali malowbat guys. Kaya talagang maganda siya gamitin. So if you want this shaver, I will share the link on you. At syempre isa din sa essential ay yung mga ginagamit natin na body wash. So I also want to share this Grease and Glow body wash, an English Pear and Fresha anti-acne solution body wash with HA, BHA and PHA and Centella Asiatica for acne and pore care. So now you can see the link on my description box.
Kung ka na tigis 500, no?
Coco Martin.
Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love.
Show me how you care.
Ano pong niluluto ninyo?
Tell me how you love before. Show me how you smile. Tell me why your hands are cold.
So, this is the second day here in Nalawangin Island. Nung first day, nagpicture lang kami ng picture. Ayun yung activity na ginawa namin, as in wala kami ibang ginawang activity. And yan, anyways, we're now going to a trek. Magta-trekking kami papuntang Mount Pondakit. And maganda naman, nakakapagod. Pero sobrang worth it guys, because yan, napakaganda ng view. So, you need to check this out also. So, don't skip this video guys. Enjoy. Ayun, layo ko naman.
Okay guys, are you ready?
Darling, you know that I'll be by your side.